They said it couldn't be done. Then Rono created football history.
Oh my God, this is goal! Yeah!
Oh my God, viewers. This niche is absolutely insane. Today I've brought you one of the most viral football niches on YouTube right now. So make sure you watch this video carefully till the end, because I'm going to show you step by step how to create these insanely viral football shorts completely. First of all, open YouTube, and here you can see this channel called Iron Football. This channel has over 9 million subscribers, and the craziest part is that they have achieved this with only around 127 videos. Now if we look at their latest shorts, you can clearly see that every single short is extremely unique and highly engaging. They are using trending football characters like Cristiano Ronaldo, Lionel Messi, and other popular football personalities that people love watching. That's exactly why these videos are getting millions and millions of views. So first of all, let me show you the master prompt that I already prepared for you guys. Inside this master prompt, I have included 3 main characters: Cristiano Ronaldo, Lionel Messi, and Speedy Boy. This is a complete viral AI automation prompt that can generate your image prompts, video prompts, voiceovers, camera angles, hooks, and even scene-by-scene storytelling automatically in just one click. And yes, viewers, you'll find this master prompt inside the YouTube description, so you can simply copy it from there. Simply copy the prompt by ChatGPT, paste the prompt there, and wait for 1 to 2 minutes. And boom, your complete project will be ready automatically. Scene titles, image prompts, video prompts, voiceovers, camera directions, viral hooks, everything completely prepared in one click, exactly like I told you before. Now, viewers, you need to read all the scenes one by one properly. Scene 1, Scene 2, Scene 3, Scene 4, Scene 5, Scene 6, however many scenes you want. Carefully view every scene and understand the final cinematic flow. Without wasting any time, I'll open Flow AI because this tool is completely free, and honestly, it's one of my favorite AI tools for generating cinematic football images. I'll simply click on Create with Flow, and then I'll select Nano Banana 2 as my model. After selecting the model, I'll paste my first image prompt and click on the Generate button. As you can see, the first image has started generating. Now you just need a little patience, because great AI results take a few seconds to process. And boom, our first image is finally ready, and just look at how amazing and cinematic it looks. The lighting, the detailing, the character emotions, everything looks absolutely insane. I'll continue generating all the remaining scenes one by one: Scene 3, Scene 4, Scene 5, Scene 6, and more. You simply need to repeat the same process and wait a little bit for each generation. And finally, boom. Oh my God, viewers. Just look at the final results. Every single image looks incredibly cinematic, shiny, detailed, and highly engaging. Now I'll simply download all these images in high quality, because next, I'm going to show you 2 completely free AI video generation tools that can transform these images into viral animated football videos. Okay, viewers, for the first AI video tool, you simply need to open Digen AI. This tool is completely free, and every single day it gives you around 120 free credits, which is honestly amazing for beginners. I'll first select the RealMotion 3.1 Turbo model. The great thing about this model is that it supports both audio and video generation together. Now what you need to do is upload the image that we generated earlier. After uploading the image, simply go to the prompt section, copy your prepared video prompt, paste it there, and click on the Generate button. As you can see, my first AI video has now started generating. You just need a little patience, because the tool usually takes around 4 minutes to create the final cinematic result. And after waiting for a few moments, boom, our first video is finally ready. Just look at how dramatic and engaging it looks, with realistic crowd sound effects and cinematic football atmosphere. Now I'll simply move towards the second scene. I'll upload the second image, paste my second prompt, and again, click on the Generate option. This time the video will take around 5 minutes to complete. I'm moving a little fast here because I want you guys to understand the full workflow quickly and easily. And honestly, viewers, this AI tool is incredible because it's completely free and still gives very high-quality cinematic results. You simply need to repeat this same process one by one for all your scenes, upload the image, paste the prompt, click generate, and wait for the result. Now let's move towards our second AI video generation tool, which is Digen AI. I simply opened the website and logged in using my Gmail account. As you can see here, the platform instantly gave me 500 free credits just for signing up. That means every new Gmail account receives free credits, which is absolutely amazing for creators who want to test high-quality AI video generation. After logging in, you need to go to the Playground section, and there you'll find the AI video option. Simply click on it. Then scroll down and select the WAN 2.6 model. Now I'll upload my first image and paste my video prompt. One important thing, viewers, if you select a shorter duration like 5 seconds, your final video clarity and quality will become much better while using fewer credits. This model only takes around 170 credits and can generate highly detailed cinematic videos with audio included. After that, I simply click on the generate option. My first AI video has now started processing, and just wait until you see the final result because it looks absolutely insane. Now I'll repeat the same process for my second image, upload the image, paste the prompt, and click generate again. Both of my videos turned out extremely unique, cinematic, and high quality. And the best part is that both AI tools are completely free to use. Now, viewers, let's move towards the final step, which is editing. For editing, CapCut, where I'll import all my generated clips and arrange them properly in sequence. After organizing the scenes, if there's any watermark or unwanted logo, I simply remove it using the scale option. Then I make small adjustments like timing, transitions, and sound synchronization. And now, our final video is completely ready. I'll simply export the project in high quality. And viewers, just look at the final cinematic result. This looks absolutely amazing. The visuals, motion, football atmosphere, crowd effects, and storytelling all come together perfectly. And the best part is that I created this entire viral football video completely free using AI tools. You'll find all the tool links in the description below. I hope you enjoyed today's video and learned something valuable. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more powerful AI content creation tutorials. I'll see you in the next video with another amazing AI method. Until then, take care and goodbye.